What is freeboard in flood-resistant construction? Imagine building a house that can stand tall and stay safe even when floodwaters rise unexpectedly. That's where freeboard comes into play. It's a simple but powerful idea used in flood-prone areas to keep buildings safe from water damage. Think of freeboard as an extra height added to a building's lowest floor above the expected flood level. This extra height acts like a safety cushion, giving the structure room to handle water that might rise higher than predicted. The main point of reference here is the base flood elevation, or BFE, which is the level floodwaters are expected to reach during a flood with a 1% chance happening each year. The BFE is what the government uses to set standards for floodplain management and insurance. Now, freeboard is usually set at 1 to 3 feet above this BFE, depending on where the building is located. For example, if floodwaters are expected to reach 10 feet during a big storm, and the community requires 2 feet of freeboard, then the lowest part of the building must be elevated to at least 12 feet. This extra height helps account for uncertainties like wave action debris or storm surge that can push water even higher. When builders design structures, they use the design flood elevation, which is the BFE plus the freeboard requirement. So if the BFE is 13 feet and the freeboard is 1 foot, the building's lowest floor must be at or above 14 feet. Most communities ask for between 1 and 3 feet of freeboard, especially in coastal or high-risk zones. In these places, the rules are stricter because the chance of flooding is higher. When constructing in flood zones, builders often raise the entire structure on pilings or columns, making sure the lowest floor is above the DFE, or design flood elevation. All mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems are also placed above this level or floodproof to prevent damage. Materials used below the DFE need to be flood-resistant, meaning they can handle contact with water without needing extensive repairs. Freeboard works alongside other flood protection measures like flood vents, waterproof membranes, and sump pumps. These combined efforts help keep buildings safe and reduce flood damage. The National Flood Insurance Program requires communities to adopt these standards so property owners can qualify for lower insurance premiums. Building with proper freeboard also shows compliance with local rules and codes. From an emergency preparedness point of view, freeboard is a smart way to reduce disaster impact. Elevating buildings means fewer homes are damaged or destroyed during floods, which helps communities recover faster. It also means fewer people are displaced and emergency services are less overwhelmed. While freeboard provides good protection, it is based on current flood data. As climate change causes sea levels to rise and weather patterns to shift, communities may need to increase freeboard standards over time. It's a proactive step that helps keep structures safer today and in the future.